All right, so our first honoree this evening, Dr. Michael Haperin, Emergency Medical Physician in Jacobi Medical Center. Since 2020, Dr. Haperin has been an integral part of the annual ultrasound conference, volunteering his time and expertise year after year to help lead the workshops and advance the program. His commitment deepened when he joined Dr. Dixon in pioneering the Jamaica Handheld Ultrasound Project, playing a key role in securing stronger support for Jacobi, which has since become a vital partner and a driving force behind this initiative. Beyond his professional contribution, Dr. Haperin also supports our mission by attending and participating in fundraising events. In recognition for his unwavering dedication and impact on global health, the Board of Directors and the Jaja Foundation is proud to present Dr. Michael Haperin with the Global Health Impact Award. Round of applause, please.
Dr. Dixon, thank you. Wow, look around. You've got yourself an army. A quick anecdote about Dr. Dixon. So a couple miles from here, there is an emergency department with a very non-fancy conference room. Every other Wednesday, you'll find Dr. Dixon online with about 100, 150 docs from all over the Caribbean. Not just Jamaica, but Haiti, the DR, and many other countries. What's remarkable about this is nobody's watching. This is just Dr. Dixon, often with a couple residents, a couple fellows, but it's really him leading the charge. And I just consider myself lucky to call Dr. Dixon a colleague and a friend. Thank you for this award, but this is all UT.
Round of applause one more time for Dr. Haperin. Goes to a remarkable husband and wife team whose partnership has made a lasting difference in the success of our health fairs. Since 2022, Dr. Carolyn Shepherd has been a dedicated member of our dental team, returning each year and going above and beyond to ensure the team is well organized and ready to serve. Her commitment has inspired her husband, Mr. Desmond Shepherd, to join the mission. He has since become our go-to person for transporting supplies, setting up each location and helping to coordinate patient flow, ensuring everything runs smoothly on site. Together, this dynamic duo has strengthened both our dental team and the overall organization of our health fairs, making them an invaluable part of our mission. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Carolyn Shepherd and Mr. Desmond Shepherd to the stage as we proudly present them with the Service Through Smiles Award.
Yes, I do love Jamaica, even though I'm a Kittitian, married to a Jamaican. However, good evening, everyone. I am deeply honored to stand here, representing a lifelong dream that began when I was a sophomore at NYU Dental School. For 31 years, I've been blessed to serve as a dentist. But nothing really compares but giving back to Jaja and every other community that I possibly can. So I thank you, Jaja Foundations, for taking myself and my husband and allowing us to help you with your endeavors.
I'm supposed to say something now, but can I just say, I'm with her. All kidding aside, I must admit, her passion has rubbed off on me. After 27 years on Wall Street and 2 construction companies, I thought retirement was slowing down. Instead, I found new purpose, serving alongside her. Together, volunteering has been one of our greatest blessings.
We
We
thank
thank you,
Dr.
Doc-
Dixon and
the
Jaja
Jaja
Foundation for this honor.
Serving Jamaicans,
Serving Jamaican's community, and we plan to do this for many, many, many more years. Thank you so much.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out.
So the next award goes to Richard Whitney. An unassuming presence whose quiet strength has become a cornerstone of our dental team. His love for children first led him to step in and assist the dentist during our health fair, and from that very first time, he has remained a faithful part of the team year after year. Richard has mastered the flow of the dental service, working seamlessly like a well-oiled machine to ensure patients are cared for efficiently. The role of supporting the dentist is one of the most demanding, with long hours on their feet and an overwhelming demand for service. Yet Richard never complains. For him, the patients always come first, and he meets every challenge with humility, dedication, and heart. In recognition for his invaluable contribution and selfless service, the Board of Directors of the Jaja Foundation is proud to present Mr. Richard Whitney with the Jaja Angel Award.
Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can broke my vibes. I'm in a fear who I fight, I know I criticize. I'm on the higher heights. So you can say what you want to and do what you want to. It's no concern to me. I'm have more one vision, me dip on more one mission to rule my destiny. Oh, it's my day to do what the fuck I want to. It's my time, and I'll use it any way I want to.
Good evening, everyone. I am deeply honored to receive this award, and I'm grateful for the recognition. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Jaja Foundation for this award. It's a testimony and the effort and collaboration, and I will continue to work to meet the standards that it represents. Thank you, Jaja Foundation, Dr. Trevor Dixon, Andy Roberts, Dr. Jacqueline McLean Marks, and all the Jaja Foundation heads. And I am deeply honored. And once again, I say thank you.
So the next award goes to Miss Tracy Ann Burnett. When Hurricane Beryl struck Jamaica in July of last year, the Jaja Foundation immediately mobilized to send a container of much-needed relief supplies. It was during this time that we were connected with Miss Burnett at Lowe's Home Improvement. Being Jamaican-born herself, stepping in to assist was second nature to her. She provided expert guidance on selecting the best items, offering thoughtful suggestions on what would be most useful in these circumstances, such as plastic buckets that families could use to store supplies or water. In addition, She helped us secure extended discounts, allowing us to maximize our resources. Thanks to her support, we were able to acquire an extraordinary amount of supplies that went directly to schools and families who had been severely affected. The board of directors of the Jaja Foundation is honored to present Ms. Tracy Ann Burnett with our Partner in Crisis Award. Round of applause, please.
So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman. The gift of life astounds me to this day. I give it up for the woman. She's the constant wind that fills my sail. Oh, that woman. With a smile and a star, she'll protect you.
Good night, everyone.
As a woman.
I wasn't prepared to give a speech, but I wrote something really quick. My famous saying is, no man is an island and no man stands alone. I'm thankful to my parents and the community of people who have helped to raise me into the person I am today. It is truly a blessing to give unto others or lending a helping hand without ever second guessing it. I hope that in this life, I can continue to be an example to my children as I teach them the importance of helping others whenever they can. In the words of my husband, some want the money, I say a gateway. Thank you for this recognition. It means a lot.
Now, our final honoree this evening are another phenomenal duo, Mr. and Mrs. Calvin Taylor. Now, you won't see any photo on screen of them because, like elves working behind the scene, their impact is not always captured on camera. Organizing an event of this magnitude is no small task, and it takes extraordinary people to dedicate an entire day to setting up, lifting, carrying, arranging, decor, banners, and everything in between. Time and again, the Taylors have stepped up and volunteered to ensure everything comes together seamlessly. But their support doesn't stop there. They are also among our most committed fundraisers. At our summer cruise each year, or earlier this year, they sold more than 60 tickets. The highest of anyone, and also topped the charts with raffle ticket sales. So, it is with great pride that the Board of Directors presents Mr. and Mrs. Calvin Taylor with the Spirit of Commitment Award. Please join me in celebrating their remarkable dedication and service.
I know everybody ever like we like, still we irie. Come in all of lives, in a dancehall style. I know everybody ever like, still we irie. Come in a love life, no. So every time I rise, we do it for the love and I do it for the light.
Yeah, man, we do it for the love, we do it for the light. You know, when I first met Trevor, Dr. Dixon, he was walking out of the University Hospital one day, and he said to me, would you like to support our raffle? I mean, our boat ride. I said, I support another organization. He said, come and support a real organization. And, you know, from that day, I said, let me give this guy a try, because he seems to be real. One thing about me, guys, if you're not real, I'm not with you. You know, I realize that this Jaja Foundation is the real deal. What they say they're going to do, they did it, and more. And as a result of that, you know, I'm 100% in supporting this Jaja Foundation. And I got stuck in Jamaica a few weeks ago in the hurricane. Guys, whatever pictures you see, multiply it by 10. I was there and experienced it myself, and Jamaica needs the help. And whatever we can do tonight to elevate the support, I'm hoping that we all do our best to support Jaja Foundation and Dr. Trevor Dixon, because he made the sacrifice that, you know, Jamaica can stand, and we want to stand with him.
Good night, everyone. My husband and I are grateful to be considered as honorees this year. More so, we appreciate all the great work that Jaja Foundation have done and continue to do for our underserved communities in Jamaica, with healthcare, of course, being the primary focus. Dr. Dixon, we truly appreciate you and the rest of the team. I would like to say a special thank you to our families and friends who always support the Jaja Foundation events every year, every event after event. And we do appreciate you all. Thank you so much and have a good night.